plants. I have here my dying plants. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Pero nakita ko sa video ng YouTube or in the Reels na ang coffee grinds is helpful. So today, I'm gonna try this and I'll just put it there. I'll observe the next few days if this coffee grinds will help my dying plants, cause it said it's like a good fertilizer. So if you approve, okay, we'll observe it tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching. All right, I'm gonna give my beautiful flower. Okay, let's try. Observe tomorrow.